Camera door handles. A fusion of technology and security. Camera door handles are an innovative solution that combines the functionality of a traditional door handle with the advanced security features of a camera. These intelligent door handles provide homeowners and businesses with a heightened sense of security and peace of mind, allowing them to monitor and control access to their properties remotely. With a camera door handle, users can see who is at the door, communicate with visitors, and grant access without having to physically open the door. Key features. High-definition video. Camera door handles typically feature high-definition video cameras that provide clear images of visitors, even in low-light conditions. Motion detection. Many camera door handles come equipped with motion detection technology, alerting users to potential visitors or suspicious activity. Two-way audio. Two-way audio capabilities enable users to communicate with visitors remotely, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. Smart home integration. Many camera door handles are designed to integrate with popular smart home systems, allowing users to control and monitor their door from a single interface. Benefits. Enhanced security. Camera door handles provide an additional layer of security, allowing users to screen visitors and potential threats before granting access. Convenience. With the ability to communicate with visitors and grant access remotely, camera door handles offer a convenient solution for homeowners and businesses. Peace of mind. Camera door handles provide users with peace of mind, knowing that they can monitor and control access to their properties at all times. Applications. Residential security. Camera door handles are an excellent solution for homeowners looking to enhance their home's security and convenience. Commercial security. Businesses can also benefit from camera door handles, particularly in high-traffic areas or sensitive environments. By incorporating a camera door handle into their security setup, individuals can enjoy enhanced security, convenience, and peace of mind, knowing that they have complete control over who enters their property. Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for next video. See you soon.